Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker and the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker. The HiCOZY is known for its compact design and quick ice production, while the ecozy focuses on producing chewable nugget ice with a higher daily capacity. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and pricing to help you determine which one is the better choice for your home or office. Let's get started. The first area we are comparing is the type of ice produced by each machine. The HiCOZY Ice Maker produces standard ice cubes, which are great for general use in drinks and cooling beverages. On the other hand, the ecozy Ice Maker specializes in nugget ice, which is softer, chewable, and often preferred for cocktails and blended drinks. This difference in ice type can significantly impact your experience depending on your preferences. Next, let's look at the ice production capacity. The HiCOZY Ice Maker can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for small gatherings or personal use. In contrast, the ecozy Ice Maker boasts a higher capacity of 33 pounds per day, making it a better option for larger parties or frequent use. This increased production can be a game changer for those who need a steady supply of ice. Finally, let's discuss the price. The HiCOZY Ice Maker is priced at $119, making it an affordable choice for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ecozy Ice Maker is priced at $209, reflecting its higher production capacity and specialized nugget ice feature. Depending on your budget and ice needs, this price difference may influence your decision. In conclusion, both the HiCOZY and ecozy Ice Makers offer unique advantages. The HiCOZY is perfect for those who want a compact and affordable option for standard ice cubes, while the ecozy is ideal for those who prefer chewable nugget ice and require a higher daily production. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.